the yellow shorts. Okay, so Don Corleone, who basically ruled the airwaves in the early 2000s, going all the way up, I met him. A young lady named Raquel introduced me to him. She had heard my song Deeper. You know that song?
Yeah.
Each time you call, I wanna fall deeper, deeper, deeper. And she played it for him and he said, I want to meet her, I want to do some work with her. So I met him and he said, I have a new rhythm coming out, the Seasons rhythm.
Yes.
And I want you to sing on it. I was like, yes, please. So he burned the rhythm on a CD. So this is how long ago that was, right? And I took it home to my house and sat on my couch in my living room. And I remember being so nervous. I was like, okay, I know this can be a really big deal, And I sat and, because I prayed before I write. Every song, doesn't matter what it's about. I just pray that God inspires me. And, I wrote No Ordinary Love on my couch. So I sang it for my mother, because I always sing my songs for my mother. And she goes, it's okay. I mean, can't you write anything better? It's okay. So I was just like, no, I can't. So I played it for Sirani. You know Sirani, right? Yes. At that time, he was just producing. He was part of a production team called The Seika. And I sang the song for him. And he goes, but I didn't have an intro yet. And he said, Alaine, the song is good, but it needs an intro. And I said, every moment that I'm awake, every hour of every day, I love how you take my breath away. And he's like, that. And I was like, okay. And the rest is history. That's the story.
I wish I could eat your voice.
Nobody has ever said that to me before. You may not.
Then my second question is, I saw your video with Taras and King Shango on 961 Studio.
Yes.
Do you practice, or it was something common on studio?
Yeah, but freestyle. We had a show, all three of us had a show in Trinidad.
Yeah.
And we were being interviewed at a radio station. So the DJ just put on a rhythm and they're like, sing. Because that is very much a part of Jamaican culture. Being just on the spot, making things up and just holding a vibe, So that's what that was. And that's got millions of views, right? I saw it the other day. Yes. It was a good time. Yeah, they're incredible artists. So.
When King Shango say, baby, tell me that you love me.
Sing to me.
Tell me that you love me.
Yeah!
I'm going to thank you.
That's
So now I hope you're convinced. Some people love you, some people are stalking you. Could I